Hello guys, in this video let's learn if how we can read a content from a file using C++. So in the previous video we created some new file, we wrote some content into it that got saved, that got appended, all that's good. But if there is a file already and we want to read some content from that file, how do we do that? So that's what we are going to learn in this particular video. To begin with, we already have the input file that we created in our previous video. So what I'm going to do now is to avoid confusions. I'm going to get rid of this whole new content, and I'm going to add some new content over here. Um, let's say hello everyone. Um, reading the content and me from the file. Thank you. Okay, so we have like 4 lines of content already. So what we are going to do is, okay, so I don't want an additional line over there. So we have the input file ready. We know what we have to read. So in order to write something to the file, we use the off stream, but now what we're going to use is an if stream, because we are going to read something from the file. And of course we will have to open the file, but we don't need the append option right now, so I will get rid of that. And we will need a string to store whatever the content we are reading. So I'll be creating that variable, and we don't need any of this, so I'll get rid of that. um, so what we're going to do here is that we will use the get line once again, and um, the file, using the file, this content is going to come over here. So we're going to read the lines one by one, and when we have the content over here, what we will do is let's print that out into the terminal, and let's see what we get there. Okay, um, that's all that we need, I believe. And let me execute this. Let's see how if it really works. Yeah, there we go. So we had this 4 contents, 4 lines inside the file. Hello everyone, reading the content from the file, thank you. So we have been able to successfully read the content from that file, and then print that in the terminal. So this is how you can read the content, and that's all that I wanted to share in this particular video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.